rekeying.
Okay, so here I am
Deadbolt.
rekeying a deadbolt with the smart quick system. Sorry, smart kwikset deadbolt, and this is what a locksmith does to rekey that cylinder. And make a new key for it. In this case, it's vacant. All keys lost. Well, previous owner did not leave the existing key. Uh, oh, well, that one, yeah, the key is there. So, oh no, sorry guys, it's because I did two in a row. So this one there was no keys available, and this is what your cylinder looks like from the the plug. So this is the steps we need to take to make a new key. So hope you enjoy the video, and make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.